What's going on, everybody? In this video we're going to investigate on why this blower motor does not work in this 2006 Dodge 2500 6.7 liter turbo diesel. So when you stick the key in, we turn it over and we flip our knob, we don't have any air coming out. There's no air. Well, no bueno. That means no good. So what we need to do is get ourselves a fancy electrical tester, and we got ourselves 2 ends. Okay, we're gonna set this to a direct current, and we'll go to no higher than 20 volts, really necessary, needed. Okay, the reason why we're doing this is we're checking to see if we have an electrical issue or if it's the blower motor itself. How are we going to check that? Simply by looking underneath on the passenger side. You're going to see the blower motor right there. It has this Plinkton blue wire. Simply unplug. See the end right there? You're going to stick in the electrodes, one into one side, one into the other. But when you stick it in on both ends and you'll look at the meter, you'll see that it will spike and electricity with the blower motor on. The blower motor is on full blast, and it shows that we're getting about 12 volts if I can keep them both in there at the same time. But we are getting electrical current, so that tells me that our blower motor doesn't work anymore. So how to replace the blower motor? There's 3 screws. There's one that's located here, there's one that's located off here to the side, and there's one that's located right way back here in the back. Okay, the best way to take those screws out is to actually use not a Phillips screwdriver, but a 5/16 socket. And we're going to take those 3 screws out. I've already done the liberty of taking out the other 2 screws. And so, as soon as I get this on there, give it a couple screws to loosen, it's going to come undone. Just like that. There she be. Now I'm going to go down to my local auto parts store. I'm going to get myself a new blower motor and put the new one in, put the 3 screws back in, plug it back in, and that's it. So now that we got our blower motor installed, I'm going to take our clip, go ahead and push it back in spot. I'm going to take the keys, turn that over, just like that. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and have a good day and stay safe.